Attention all MS and MPhil aspirants in Pakistan. The Higher Education Commission has officially opened registration for the Graduate Admission Test, also known as HAT. If you are planning to pursue higher studies, this is your crucial first step towards success. Don't let this opportunity slip away, as the enrollment window is now active. You can register online right now through the Education Testing Council portal at etc.hec.gov.pk. Mark your calendars carefully. The deadline for online registration is Sunday, June 7th, 2026. The test itself is scheduled to take place shortly after on Sunday, July 5th, so start your preparations today.
For those eyeing PhD programs, your registration window will open later in June 2026. If you encounter any issues, HEC provides support through their online help desk and dedicated helplines. Stay ahead by visiting the HEC website regularly for the latest updates and academic announcements.